A roll-up warm-up is a dynamic mobility drill often used in Pilates, yoga, or general fitness to warm up the spine, activate the core, and improve flexibility in the hamstrings and back. It's a controlled movement where you slowly roll your spine down and back up. Here's how to do it step by step. Standing roll-up for warm-up. 1. Starting position. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart, arms relaxed by your sides. Keep your knees soft, not locked. 2. Initiate the roll. Inhale to prepare. Exhale as you slowly tuck your chin to your chest and begin to roll your spine, down one vertebra at a time. Let your arms and head hang heavy toward the floor. 3. Go as far as comfortable. Roll down until you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Keep your core gently engaged so you don't just collapse forward. 4. Return to standing. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale as you slowly roll back up, stacking your spine vertebra by vertebra. Bring your head up last and return to tall posture. 5 repetitions. Perform 4 to 6 slow roll-ups, moving with your breath. Check my next video.